Have you ever had a problem, but you didn't know how to explain it in English?
Or maybe someone told you their problem and you didn't know how to give advice.
Maybe you wanted to say something helpful.
But you didn't know the right words.
Today, we are talking about problems and giving advice in English,
You will learn how to explain problems clearly.
and how to give advice naturally and confidently.
This is very important for real conversations.
Because people always talk about problems.
And good friends give good advice.
Let's start with something simple. How do we talk about a problem in English?
We can say, I have a problem.
Yes, that's the most basic sentence.
For example, I have a problem at work. I have a problem with my studies. I have a problem with my friend.
Very simple and very clear.
You can also say, I'm having trouble.
Good one, like,
I'm having trouble sleeping. I'm having trouble understanding English. I'm having trouble managing my time.
that sounds very natural.
Let's imagine this situation.
Okay,
I say, I'm very stressed at work.
that's a common problem.
Or, my boss gives me too much work.
Or, I don't like my job.
These are real-life problems.
Now let's talk about studying.
Many students say, I can't focus. I feel tired when I study. I don't understand my lessons.
Or even, I want to improve my English, but I don't know how.
Very common.
Now personal life.
I argued with my friend. I feel lonely. I'm not confident. I feel lost.
These are emotional problems.
Now let's learn how to give advice.
The most common word is should.
Yes, should is perfect for advice.
For example,
If I say, I'm tired all the time,
I can say, you should rest more.
very good.
If you say, I'm stressed at work,
You should say, you should take a break.
or you should talk to your manager,
Now let's talk about negative advice.
that's when we use shouldn't.
For example,
I eat fast food every day.
you shouldn't eat fast food every day.
I sleep at 2 a.m.
You shouldn't sleep so late.
Very natural.
Now we learn a stronger advice sentence.
If I were you,
This is very common in English.
example,
I don't like my job.
if I were you, I would look for a new job.
I feel very tired every day.
If I were you, I would see a doctor.
Very polite and friendly. Lucas, I need your advice.
Okay, what's wrong?
I feel very stressed at work. I have too many responsibilities.
That sounds difficult.
Yes, and I feel exhausted.
You should try to organize your tasks.
That's a good idea.
If I were you, I would talk to my boss.
I'm a little afraid.
You shouldn't be afraid to communicate.
Sarah, can I ask you something?
Of course.
I want to improve my English, but I feel embarrassed when I speak.
That's normal.
What should I do?
You should practice speaking every day.
Even if I make mistakes?
Yes, you shouldn't worry about mistakes.
Anything else?
If I were you, I would watch English videos and repeat sentences. Let's learn more ways to give advice. Good idea. You can say, why don't you? Example, why don't you take a short vacation? Maybe you could. Example, maybe you could talk to your friend. Have you tried? Example, have you tried studying in the morning? It might help if you. Example, it might help if you exercise regularly.
These expressions sound very natural. Now let's practice. We will say a problem. You give advice. Problem 1. I feel tired every day. You can say, you should sleep earlier. Problem 2. I don't understand English movies. You can say, you should watch with subtitles. Problem 3.
I argue with my friend often. You can say, why don't you talk calmly?
When giving advice, be kind.
Yes, don't sound aggressive.
Use a friendly tone.
Advice is about helping, not judging.
Everyone has problems.
And that's normal.
The important thing is learning how to communicate.
When you can explain your problem clearly,
You feel more confident.
and when you can give advice in English,
You sound fluent and natural.
remember, English is not only grammar.
It's communication
Today you learned how to talk about problems.
and how to give advice.
Practice these expressions every day.
Use should.
Use shouldn't.
Use if I were you.
And don't be afraid to speak.
What is one problem you have right now?
And what advice would you give to someone else?
Write it in the comments.
Let's help each other.
If this lesson helped you,
Like the video and share it.
and subscribe for more English conversations.
See you in the next lesson.
and let's talk in English together.